I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action Zapier. Give here a webhook link, so go to the Zapier dashboard. Create Zaps. Click on the trigger. Choose a trigger. Webhooks. Choose an event. Catch hook. Continue. Continue. Now copy the webhook URL and paste it into the integration site. Now click on the body. Send all data. Now choose the payload type. Application/JSON. There are advanced features available in conditional logic that can be utilized to meet your specific requirements. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Zapier dashboard. To fetch the data, test the trigger. You can now see that the data has been fetched successfully. Choose your required action. I am choosing woodpecker. Choose an event. Continue. I have already connected with my woodpecker account. So click on Continue. Now map the required fields. Continue. Skip test. Publish it. Zap published successfully. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Woodpecker dashboard and navigate to the prospects. You can see that the data has been successfully received via Zapier. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Thanks for watching.